sulfur trioxide. How to prepare sulfur trioxide? Anyone? By using this contact process also. By using this Ostwald process, contact process, how to prepare sulfur dioxide? Sulfur dioxide undergoes can be converted into sulfur dioxide by undergoes heating, and so here sulfur dioxide, it is irreversible reaction, SO3. So if you take 3 moles of sulfur dioxide, 2 moles of sulfur trioxide will be formed. By using this catalyst also required, catalyst like molybdenum, this type of catalyst. So this is the preparation method. What is the geometry for mainly sulfur dioxide? Anyone? What is the geometry? Geometry means shape. Good, trigonal planar. Only how many bond pair of electrons? So in this sulfur trioxide student, sulfur is the 6th group family. How many valence electrons in the 6th group? 6 valence electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here oxygen carries double bond, Nana. Oxygen carries double bond means these 3 are bond pair of electrons only. How many bond pair? 3. So 3 bond pair means what is the hybridization? sp2. sp2 means what is the geometry? Sulfur dioxide is a trigonal planar. What is the exact bond angle in this? Anyone? So here the hybridization of sulfur is sp2, and next tell me the answer. Planar triangle. Planar triangle. What is the bond angle, ma? 120, Nana. Because of all are bond pair of electrons only. So that's why 120 bond angle and sp2 hybridization, planar triangle structure. So what is the bond length of S double bond O? How many S double bond O? 3. So here this bond length of S double bond O bond length. So for S double bond O bond length will be 1.43 angstrom units or 143 picometers. 143 picometers. So this is the structural determination of sulfur trioxide. What are the important points in the sulfur dioxide? Why it is important in competitive purpose? It is possible for cyclic structure. It is possible for linear form also. In this linear form, how many sigma, how many pi bonds present in the linear form? So that is the most important. Write down, completed this one. Write down. So here, what is the cyclic structure? So here, sulfur trioxide. These two are sulfur dioxide carries double bond, and next here one oxygen and another oxygen carries by this C. So here also oxygen, and next here also oxygen. Here oxygen, it's shared by double bond O, double bond O. So this is cyclic form of gamma, mainly cyclic. It is cyclic form of sulfur dioxide. Cyclic form means mainly gamma form. Mainly gamma form. Cyclic structure will be possible for only gamma form. For example, it is also possible for linear form. What is the linear structure? So here, write down the linear structure. Linear structure means it is a polymer. It is polymer-like structure. So this is linear, this is. So here, sulfur is a central group, is 6th group element. 6 bonds are over. So here, this is the M times. It is a polymer, means it is linear form. It is linear form. Linear form. In this linear form is only possible for alpha or beta allotropic form of sulfur. Alpha or beta is possible for linear. Cyclic mainly gamma. In this linear structure, how many sigma, how many pi bonds present in this? Anyone? What is the ratio for sigma and pi? Anyone? Double bond contains 1 pi bond, 1 sigma bond, student. How many pi bonds are present? You don't know about it? In solid state, Nana, sulfur trioxide exists as alpha, beta, and gamma forms. So tell me the answer. How many number of pi bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pi bonds. How many sigma bonds? Ah, how many sigma bonds? Number of, tell me Nana, sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds is equals to 12. Nana, already 6, remaining 6. 12 sigma bonds and pi bonds are 6. Pi bonds are 6. What are 6? Every double bond having one pi bond. Total 6 double bond. Remaining is every double bond having one sigma bond. 6 sigma bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 12 sigma and 6 pi bonds present in the uh, linear form of sulfur. So here among alpha, beta, gamma, alpha form is most stable and made is because of it is cross-linked chain. Why it is most stable? This is most stable, Anna. This is most stable form. Most stable. Why it is most stable? Because of it is made of cross-linked chains. That's why it is most stable. Write on that point also in this last point of in this alpha. Alpha form. Alpha form is more stable. Alpha form is more stable and made of and made of crossed linked chains. Cross linked chains are possible. Okay, so these are the um, sulfur trioxide and sulfur dioxide explanation, student. Okay, so these are the topic for oxides of sulfur, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide. This is very important. Alpha form is most stable, and the linear one is most important for competitive examination. Okay, so this is cyclic structure. So this is a normal structure for a planar triangle shape. Any doubt among the today topic, Nana?